Happy birthday, China. Happy National Day. The greatest country in the world, in my opinion. It truly is a remarkable place. From what you guys become in the past 100 years, it's just remarkable. You guys went from having nothing, having no food, no money, to being one of the strongest, most powerful countries in the world. It's remarkable. That truly is remarkable. I know it's weird coming from a Laowai to say, but this is what I see here. And truly is amazing. Not just the place itself, but the people. The food is amazing. How everyone is united. Like, it's truly an amazing place. The government just doesn't care about making money like the government I come from. Thinks about its people. And that's, to me, is amazing. That's what makes a country. This is the best country to be in. I hope people from the West can come and check this place out for themselves, see how amazing or remarkable it truly is, instead of being lied to by our media. It truly is amazing here, and they need to see it for their own eyes. Western media used to portray this place as being bad and overcrowded and dirty, but it's literally the exact opposite. This place is so clean, it's so much organization, it's just the most amazing place on earth. It truly is. Happy birthday, China.
Join me in celebrating a day of immense pride and joy. It's the National Day of China. To all my Chinese friends, I extend my warmest wishes. May this day bring you happiness, prosperity, and countless memories with your loved ones. Guoqingjie Kuailei. Enjoy the festivities and cherish the unity that this special day brings.
对每一个中国人来说，爱国是本分，也是职责。
Come with me to this biggest drone show in the world and major event in Shenzhen, China. We're currently on our way to a 12,000 drone show for the 45th anniversary of the city. There's so many people. I'm so excited. I've never seen a drone show in my life. All because of whom? Because of Sander. Yeah, Sander.
Credit for everything.
Taking credit for everything. I mean, you did invite me, so fair enough. I am exceptionally excited to see it. I will say though, I have seen one drone fly one time, so that's pretty impressive.
That is quite a difference.
Following Sander through the crowd. Oh my god, we get to go through the thing. We're being escorted by people that help organize everything. This feels very special. It's an honor that I get to see this too. I mean, it's the first time I'm ever here and I get to celebrate its 45th anniversary. I find that very fun. Phenomenal timing. Apparently we're starting in 5 minutes. I am so warm. There it is. That's the show. Kidding. This skyline is also insane. Whoa! How do you even begin to program that? Like the roll thing is actually getting smaller. Oh, that's so cute. Bird! I love bird! Oh my god, it's flapping its wings! And it's so legible. I mean, not to me because of, yeah, but like, no, it's gonna be a tree with roots. Oh, is it? Oh my god, I was so accurate. Oh, wow. Oh! Hey! Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Joseph! That's crazy, man. That was so crazy, man.
This is such a heartwarming moment.